Oh, hey. It's Saturday, SDA CRP 2012, day 3. Day 4. Came up here Wednesday. Somewhere in there. Anyway, we got an OHV ride happening. We're shooting for a 10 o'clock departure time. And hopefully we're going to make that. And we're going to do some rugged trails. So stand by for that. Before we go, let's hear your take on that trail.
Very technical, very hard. Glad Bill was in front of me because I had to go real slow.
Yeah, I'm a little rattled. It was
a hard, technical drop.
Straight down over Jumble. We wouldn't have his help. This is new to me. Never been on it. You didn't see the cattle?
I hear cowbell.
There's a drive happening. Tom, do you have anything to say to your fans?
A lot of cows over here.
Okay, thank you. Fans, I think the cows are in the bushes right now. But they're on a drive, just like us. Except for we're on a pilgrimage. SDA CRP 2012. And we're going to do some rugged trails. So stand by for that. In the bushes right now. But they're on a drive, just like us. Except for we're on a pilgrimage.